Hi everyone, we are ready to go on and finish up our Blue Dog project. So by now you have painted Blue Dog, here's mine, and your black outline might not be dry, so you may not have cut it out yet. I've gone ahead and cut mine out, but I'm not going to put Blue Dog, I'm not going to use Blue Dog today, so I'm going to just set Blue Dog aside. What we need to do today is make our background, and what you're going to need is a big piece of black construction paper, and then you're going to select 2 strips of colored construction paper. I will have an assortment of colors for you to pick from, and just for this video I chose green. You'll also need a glue stick and some construction crayons, construction paper crayons. So I'm going to set those aside and this aside. So the first thing is pretty easy, is I'm going to glue down my strips. So I'm just going to put glue along the back. And then my paper is so big it doesn't quite fit in the screen here. Oops. But I'll put the bottom here. You're going to line up the bottom and then make that go all the way up to the top, and the same thing on the other side. And then just line it up and glue this side down. Alright, so pretty easy, right? Now, the construction paper crayons, these are awesome because even the light colors show up on construction paper. Now, in the story Blue Dog, his background was all different colors, all different examples. And sometimes you would see polka dots, sometimes you'd see swirls, but many of the time you would see patterns. So what you're going to be thinking about is patterns down these strips on either side. So I'm going to use my pink, and I'm going to start from the bottom up just because of my video. And I'm going to start with a circle, and I'm going to color this in. Now you do not have to do what I'm doing. Come up with your own idea. And I'm going to turn my paper sideways so you can see what I'm doing here. And I'm going to skip a space. And then skip a space. And I'm going to continue this until I get up to the top. Okay. Now I think I will take my blue crayon and I'm going to go in the center. I saw this pattern in the story, so that's why I'm doing it. Now the other thing I saw in the story is some of the backgrounds had swirls, so I'm going to put a swirl here. Now you can look at your pattern and you can leave it like this, or if there's something you wanted to add, look at how the white crayon shows up so nice. Just make a nice, neat pattern of your own. And of course I'm going to repeat this pattern over on this side. Now once I'm done, probably the next art class, you will then cut out Blue Dog and then glue Blue Dog into your background, and then he will be ready to hang up.